Okay, at this point, you've just created your Linux VM, OpenSUSE VM, and VM Player, and you started up the VM, and you get to this username. So remember the username that we had entered. I had entered Sean. Let me get this clicked in here. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it well enough, but your VM may not start up in basically a full screen mode to where you have to use the the drag bars, whatever those are, on the left and right side of the bottom and the right side of the screen. So I think we need to log in first, and the password is Sean. So I think we'll need to log in first and then resize. So as you can see, as Windows does or Explorer does, it has that little circular dialog button, I guess. So as we can see, we have now our desktop in Linux, and I think I'm going to grab the right hand side. There we go. If you just grab, and let me drag this over so you can see it. Once you log in the first time, there, now you can see it on the screen. This is the edge of your screen. If you just grab this corner once you log in and then move the window, it should resize automatically to where you have your icons on the top left hand corner of the screen. The computer is the start button. I'm just going to go ahead and drag this a little more. Okay, so the computer is the start button. Now to complete the homework assignment for this particular just VMware installation, all I really want to see is this opening screen, and then if you just grab a snippet of this opening screen. So if you go to, you can use a snipping tool, which is an image capture application. I'm just going to go ahead and go to search, start and search, snip, and grab the snipping tool. It's going to load up and just say drag the cursor around the area you want to capture. Initially, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this top left hand corner. It shows that I have Linux installed and that it's my Linux, Sean's home. I'm going to copy this image, go into Word, put down 224 Linux VM installation, and just paste it in. So that's the first part of that. I'll minimize this. The next thing I'll want you to do is go to Computer, just to verify that you can get to this GNOME terminal, and then go to More Applications, and then you can see at the bottom right hand corner here GNOME Terminal. And this is just like the terminal that you'll use, or you would use, if you're logging into the Linux on campus, the Linux server on campus. And so all I need to see is really this. I'm going to go ahead and grab a snippet again, a new snippet, and then once again just grab what I have here. For all intents and purposes, you really only need just this pic, don't you? Because that shows Sean's home, and then also that you can get into this terminal mode. I'm just going to copy that, put that into Word, format the picture. I might put a border around it just so I can see it. Save that and then submit that to the Moodle assignment. So I think that will probably, I don't need to save any of that. That concludes then my expectation for how you should complete and submit the homework assignment for this particular unit. Thank you.